This is probably the last video I will ever make about Andrew Goes Camping. When I made and posted the first part, I didn't know how long this series was going to go on for, how many parts it was going to have. I didn't know what the reception would be, if I'd even be able to continue the series, because if nobody commented, well, there wouldn't really be a series. But fortunately for me, people did comment and liked and even shared Andrew Goes Camping around, so that even if this person didn't comment, then maybe the next person who sees it would. And that really means a lot, because this is something that I really wanted to succeed. And I would say, at the end of all of this, that Andrew Goes Camping is a success. But that wouldn't be possible without you, the audience. So, as my final word on Andrew Goes Camping, I'd just like to say, thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you for watching.